My name is Edward Kim. I work for County of Los Angeles Department of Public Works. My primary role here in the department is a database administrator, but I also do application development and also been working on financial reports. When we first decided to get MaxGauge, our expectation from the MaxGauge is to find out how we can tune our database better. Also, we wanted to learn more about the tuning skills, and we also wanted to know how we can use the tool to analyze the performance. We have currently in our department we have about 24 databases running, and one of which is a financial database. There are more than 500 reports running against this database, and it just keeps on growing, and the data is growing, and the users are complaining that the reports are running slower and slower. So with the MaxGauge, we wanted to find out what's going on, and with the help of XM engineer, we were able to find out that there are high level of parallelism set on the database. So with the help of XM engineers, we were able to fix that, and the overall CPU usage has gone down about 20%, which is a big improvement on the database. And we noticed some of the report that took more than several days to complete is now running around 5-6 hours. One of the benefits of having MaxGauge is being able to see the historical data. For example, we had some incidents where the developer deploys some of their application to production without telling the DBAs, and we realized that with the historical data, we could easily find out if there's any abnormal queries running against the data, and we could easily identify problem with the historical data provided through the MaxGauge. Also, with the historical data, we were able to troubleshoot any problem that happened during the off hours, because at any given time we can easily find out what queries were running. Our main concern with the MaxGauge was the overhead. We were concerned because we had few incidents where we used other database tools such as Toad to monitor the current queries, and often we realize that it takes a lot of CPU on the servers, and we had to turn it off, whereas the MaxGauge only took about 1% of the CPU resources. So it's very lightweight, and we never had any problem because of the MaxGauge running on the server.